Shanghai Gubot is a high-tech company that is technology, research, business cooperation, and intelligent manufacturing focused on the automotive aftermarket. Until now, we have got more than 70 patents and all products have got CE certificate. We are rated as a high-tech enterprise by the Shanghai government, who reward our 4 million innovation funds. We provide one-stop service for car beauty shops and car repair shops. We not only provide high-quality equipment, but also provide the professional technical training for our customers. Anhui Gubot is a cooperation company of Shanghai Gubot, responsible for product researching and production. Each product is completed by ourselves from design to production. We always believe that only high-quality products can win the trust of customers. The factory adopts 5S management system, strictly controls each steps, and carefully selects high-quality spare parts. All the accessories are strictly used and placed according to the standard. Every process of assembly is strictly controlled, and we attach great importance to the testing stage of the product. Each product has passed the 108 standard tests before selling the customers. We will send it to the customer after passed all tests. At the same time, the equipment will be wrapped in a wrapping film and a wooden box to ensure that the transportation will not damage the equipment. We are looking forward to cooperate with you in the near future.